In this video, I will walk you through a Tradesman nutrition review to see how this brand stacks up against your typical gym-focused supplement lines. Most fitness brands cater to the person spending an hour at the gym, but as we see here, Tradesman Nutrition is built specifically for blue-collar workers handling 12-hour shifts and heavy lifting. The major contrast in this comparison is the focus on sustained, all-day energy versus the short-lived spikes found in standard pre-workouts. For instance, their energy drink formula is designed for clean, sustained fuel to keep you fired up until quitting time, rather than just getting you through a quick set of squats. When we look at their top fuel picks, they trade the usual bodybuilding aesthetics for practical goals like better recovery, focus, and testosterone support. They offer specialized options like T-Fuel to boost strength and mood, and a dedicated sleep formula to help you wake up fresh after a grueling day on the job. The standout feature is definitely the ultimate blue-collar stack, which bundles these needs together to simplify your routine. While standard brands focus on the pump, this lineup prioritizes staying sharp and recovering fast from the physical demands of real work. Whether you are looking for fat loss through their best-selling Shred product, or just want to maintain your edge during a long shift, these science-backed ingredients are tailored for the trade. Does this targeted approach beat a standard supplement for your daily grind? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more blue-collar gear reviews.